This is a 3-in-1 wireless charger. It has this Qi or MagSafe charger up there. It has a Apple Watch charger, and it looks like it also has an AirPods charger down here at the bottom. You can see the color is black, and you can see the pictures of the different color variations that they offer and what they look like. The specifications and the model number, the input voltage is 9 volts at 3 amps or 12 volts at 2.5 amps. Basically, this is a 23 watt max charger. Inside, you get a USB-A to USB-C cable that you could use to hook up to a power adapter. You also get the charging stand manual. You can see all the diagrams and information here about the product. Again, some of the specifications there and the packing list on what you get. A little bit of instructions on how to use it. Comes in many different languages. It also comes with this USB-A power adapter. So let's take a look at the specs on this power adapter just to make sure that it will work and be powerful enough. The output there says 5 volts 3 amps, that's 15 watts, 9 volts 2 amps, that's 18 watts, 12 volt 1.5 is 18 watts as well. Basically, this is an 18 watt power supply that you get, which is a bit of a red flag there because I could have sworn it says the output power is 23 watts, and there's no way you're going to be able to output 23 watts with the included 18 watt power adapter. So if you want 23 watts, you need to buy a more powerful USB power adapter. Here's the stand itself. It has a little bit of weight to it, and it also has these feet at the corners here that prevent it from sliding around. Here's some more information about this actual unit. 9 volts at 3 amps, okay, that's 27 watts. This watch piece here is solidly connected to and integral as part of the base. It doesn't come off, it doesn't move. This is a friction-based hinge here, so you could have the phone facing straight up, or you could tilt it at about that angle, and your phone would just sit right there. Now this tray here, this little indentation, is where your AirPods would go, and then this, of course, is where your Apple Watch could go horizontally here with the loop going around that way to use nightstand mode and be able to see the time at night on the watch display. Here's the USB-C port on the back where you would plug in the power cable, and that would power the entire unit. Overall, it's a pretty clean design, and this is also a metal rod here, so it feels pretty solid. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. It feels pretty solid and sturdy. This hinge feels nice. It has some nice resistance to it as you turn it and pivot that. In practice, if I have the stand and I put my phone on it, you can see what that looks like from the side. And then on the front, still fit your AirPods underneath here. Your watch is still visible here. This is a iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it holds magnetically. As you can see, the phone is just sticking to that mount there. It comes off pretty easily just like that. Your AirPods Pro case, if it supports wireless charging, just go at the bottom like that. It does wiggle around if you push it around, but it does settle into that indentation on the base there. That's what that would look like. So with your phone, you can see how that looks from the side there. That's it for this 3-in-1 wireless charging base.